Session is about the surveillance capitalism, that we are now living in a capitalism that is mostly based on the surveillance, so that we remain monitored, we remain predictable, and when we remain in predictability, we remain in control. And this is not about the money, it's about control. And here four things play important role. Number one is the data, number two is the AI, artificial intelligence, number three is the algorithms, and number four is the quantum computer. That quantum computers are so powerful that they can solve the complex problem within 200 seconds, which the humans take thousands of years to solve it. So they already have the computing power, already have the clever in artificial intelligence, which analyze each and every data and learn from their data. And data is again work a database in the similar wave. In the similar wave, we have the database in our mind, and again it work like humans. And in my opinion, actually they learning every second, every moment, and now they are going to be more clever, to be more intelligent, due to these four ingredients, that they can analyze the data and work according to the prediction, according to the control. And that is the reason they change the algorithms every moment, they change the AI every moment, and they're working on the computing system that are again developed by the IBM and the national labs, and known by the name of Summit. Summit is actually the next level computer. And the Google also develop and its size is almost equivalent to refrigerator. And these both have a very high computing power. So the computing power sync with the data, and then the AI, and then the algorithms, and these four work together for the surveillance capitalism. And they surveil us 24/7, and from that they generate the data, and that data work for the predictions. And 99% of the revenue of Google and Facebook come from the surveillance capitalism. They collect all the data, make a package, and sell to anyone who gonna pay for it. And that is the reason we are not aware of it, and we have no information about it, and we not even knowing, sharing each and everything. And they now introduce Facebook, introduce the Facebook TV, which have the camera and which have the audio, and listening every moment, not only to us but also to our friends, our family, and observing the habitual the habits, observing the behaviors, and observing each and every moment. And they can predict much more faster, much more accurate in the real time. And that give them the dominancy for the production, for the prediction of the future events. So we have to learn about it, we have to know about it, that what we share and what we not. And that is the reason they are working deeply in the shadow, and though those shadows remain unaware of us, and they connect it with the sale pitch of communication, with the sale pitch of facilitation, with the sale pitch of empowering, and we remain in that trap and not aware that it is actually the whole system designed for prediction, for control. And that is again we lubricate with our time, with our energy, and that energy and time is the most precious thing which we can't have. Healthcare data, that the Google work with the major health provider, and by synchronization with them, they're now collecting the data about the patients, about their date of birth, about each and every detail, and they are now closely monitoring their health records, the procedure done with them, and from that they now being able to predict about their future diseases, about the level of the diseases. And that is again they love the prediction, and prediction give them the authority of control. And now the Alexa, which is again a Trojan house, the horse, they enter it into the homes on the sale pitch of care. But all these are not about health care, and not about the care industry, it's about data care. And their data care is the main ingredient for the capitalism that is totally based on the surveillance. And that surveillance give 99% of revenue to Facebook and Google.